So let's get to it. First things first, we need to disconnect the battery. Battery's found underneath the passenger side front seat. So we're gonna move the seat all the way up so we can get to it. Then we're gonna pop this up. This just pops up and pops out. We're gonna lift this up. You might have to cut this just slightly and then it flips up. You don't have to, you can go through the front if you want, but it's easier just to cut it, nobody cares. There's a little clip back here, right there. You're just gonna pop that up and you're gonna slide this piece out. This is gonna come out as air duct. And then you're gonna remove this piece out. I'll show you right now. So the best way to do it is to use a flathead screwdriver and gently pull this up, pull this, and then you're going to pull this out. And then you're gonna push on these two and pop this up, and then just pull this out too as well. There, you've got your battery, you've got your negative and your positive. Always disconnect the negative first and then the positive. Okay, so this is 10 millimeter, very simple. For the positive, you'll see the horizontal screw there, 10 millimeter. Just get an extension and it should be easy peasy. I started it up, the dreaded battery light went away, drove it around for a while. It's 100%, tested it again. There it is, it's as easy as that. Took me about